So let's do alley docking. I'm going to teach you how to do a alley docking comfortably and slowly. So we will now do the alley docking to the left hand side, the easiest way to do it, in my opinion, obviously. Okay, so the officer, the test examiner, will give you the instruction to start with your alley docking. You have 2 chances to do it. If you don't bump the pole or you roll, you have another opportunity and you can try it again. You ask your testing examiner if you can just try it again if you're struggling with it. Try not to rush yourself and then you'll get in first time. So we are going to observe, half check, and indicate to the left. Clutch goes in, we're putting it into reverse gear, and we're getting our gentle clutch control. Gentle because we're trying to go super slowly. We have to do 5-point check, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we put the handbrake down. And if the car doesn't move immediately, don't worry, just squeeze it a little bit and it's gonna move. Squeeze, don't lift. Okay, so now we're waiting. We want this first pole to reach the very front of the vehicle. As soon as it gets to the front of the car, as I'm locking my wheels to the left hand side, I'm checking my right blind spot, and now I'm checking my right hand mirror. You can look at your left hand mirror as well, but your right hand mirror gives you exactly what you're looking for, and that is your 3 poles in a straight line. And as soon as you see them, do start slowing down, because you want to now straighten up your wheels, ideally in a smooth movement. Now all I'm doing is I'm checking left, I'm checking right. I didn't have to do any additional checks because I kept moving. But if I did stop in any moment during that, I would have had to do my full observation before I moved, and obviously make sure that you don't roll in that moment. Okay, that was the alley docking from the left hand side. I hope that helps you to pass your driving test with confidence. Now go outside and have a blessed day.